Good day, everyone! Today, we will be showing you the natural beauty of Ano Nuevo State Park, located 21 miles north of Santa Cruz, California. This area was given its name by the Spanish explorer Father Antonio de la Ascensión, who called it Punta de Ano Nuevo, New Year's Point, for the day on which his expedition sighted the area. The park has sand dunes and coastal terrace prairie habitats, as well as diversity of inland plant communities including old-growth forest, freshwater marsh, red alder riparian forest, and knobcone pine forest. The prominent attraction, though, is the largest mainland breeding colony of the northern elephant seals in the world, with hundreds of seals coming in during the winter season to lounge on the shore and look for mates. Look! This animal covers itself with sand to protect its skin from the sun's rays. The spectacle of these magnificent animals draws thousands of visitors annually, who are often also rewarded with visions of occasional sea otters, California sea lions, and nests of swallows along the tops of the cliffs. However, all are advised to stay 25 feet away or more from the wildlife, as to not frighten or disturb the gentle animals. The nature preserve itself has a parking lot near the entrance and visitor center, and an intricate web of trails along the seaside bluff. Several main trails lead out towards Ano Nuevo's famous Lonely Island, which was once inhabited by lighthouse keepers. No longer operational, the 9-acre island is overrun by seabirds and sea lions. Some prefer to park along the highway at the cliff, but that can be a dangerous place to leave your vehicle. In order to get to the beach as soon as possible, we usually follow a small, lesser-known trail that starts from the visitor center, passes a historical farm towards a short stone bridge and beach access. On the way to the shore, we usually stop by the visitor center, which is filled with curious things like shells, elephant seals' skulls, informational displays about Ano Nuevo's history, and tools created from whalebone by Ohlone Indians and used to pry open abalones. Come at the time of low tide and walk south once you reach the shore at Ano Nuevo Creek Trail. The gravel on the beach is fascinating and has many types of pebbles, but the most interesting finds are in the walls of the cliffs. The gray layers of the cliffside can present to you remnants of multiple sea creatures, naturally preserved for millions of years. A closer look reveals a variety of fossilized shells and the bones of marine mammals like whales and probably sea lions too. Humongously thick layers of pressed marine sediments. You can't see anything like that in a museum. But be careful and stay away from the unstable cliffs. The erosion is ongoing. The wind relentlessly shaves off dust from the surface and can throw it into your eyes any minute. Large chunks of the earth fall down regularly. The waves smooth the rocks, revealing the cross-sections of the shells. Can you guess what kind of fossils these are? Comment below. The view from the beach is absolutely spectacular. On a clear day, the horizon seems to stretch on forever, and the ocean gently laps at the shore. Small to medium-sized pebbles litter the sand, perfect for skipping on the rumbling ocean waves. The cliffside itself is in places covered in green vegetation, with minute waterfalls dripping from leaf to leaf down to the sandy earth. The wild and alluring bluffs and beaches of Ano Nuevo State Park are undoubtedly a place worth paying a visit to. Even if you don't see the famous giant elephant seals, you will be greeted with an unforgettable landscape and a wide selection of other marine life, thriving in its natural habitat. The most important thing is to help preserve this time capsule, to make sure that for generations to come, the land remains safe from human influence, the same as when Father Antonio de la Ascensión saw this land for the first time in 1603 and chose to name it New Year's Point. If you decide to hike in the northern direction along the Ano Nuevo Point Trail, remember to stop by a small wooden building to observe an old skull of a whale and several vertebrae. Some nearby attractions worth visiting on the same day are the Pelican Point Lighthouse and the Abalone Farm. Thanks for watching and safe travels!